In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use the Thrustmaster T80 on your Xbox and whether or not it is possible to do this. If you have purchased the Thrustmaster T80, you might be curious if it is possible to use it natively on your Xbox, because when you go ahead and connect it, you might notice that nothing works, and regardless of the game that you try to play using the steering wheel, you won't be able to do any actions inside of the game. Most boxes of the Thrustmaster T80, regardless of the edition, will feature the PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5 logos alongside PC. So as of today, is there some sort of workaround to use this specific model of steering wheel on your Xbox, or is it completely impossible? Can you purchase some sort of adapter or follow instructions to get this working? Well, sadly, as it stands today, unless you are using a Thrustmaster T80 on a PC where you are able to download emulation software, it is basically impossible to use it on your Xbox. The Thrustmaster T80 is designed with PlayStation and PC in mind, and because of this, they didn't bother with making it compatible on your Xbox. Because the only known workaround is downloading emulation software on PC that cannot be used on an Xbox, it means that it is impossible. So sadly, if you acquired one of these to play exclusively on Xbox, your best course of action would be to return it or try to sell it on the aftermarket. These sorts of steering wheels, the Thrustmaster T80, are only compatible for PlayStation and PC. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of using the Thrustmaster T80 on any Xbox console, either old gen or new gen, and how it is completely impossible to do so. You need to purchase a model that is compatible with the Xbox consoles to use it. If this video cleared up any questions that you had on how to use Thrustmaster T80 on Xbox, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.